Good morning. It looks to be warmer and dustier today. A chilly morning will quickly warm up through the day, and a spring afternoon is in store across Korea. Highs will jump 10 to 15 degrees from the morning, and Gwangju and Gyeongju will be topping out at 20 degrees Celsius this afternoon, feeling more like the end of April with sunnier skies. But the air pollution gets worse today with Chungcheongnam-do Province under an ultrafine dust advisory, and more regions could be under dust alerts today. Meanwhile, dry weather alerts remain in place on the East Coast, along with strong winds of an average of 15 meters per second, which is strong enough to make walking against the wind difficult. Fire precautions are a must again. Much anticipated rain is in the forecast. Nationwide rain is in store on Sunday, and the east of Gangwon-do Province could see showers through next Monday. Meanwhile, the warming trend continues through early next Monday. With that, here's a look at the weather conditions around the globe.